This video is gonna be very special because in this video we are going to create a music video without any assets out there, only using our text prompt and convert into a video. What we have is here is the lyrics of the song, which is about the Nelson Mandela, and there is a audio file which I will going to upload in a later part. So here is the text to video option. If you have a pro membership, you have a 40 credits included in your membership. So you go ahead and get the pro because Canva is actually the best tool out there for graphic designing, and now it's stepping up the game in the AI as well as the video generation. So here is a text to video. If you click on this and try the magic media, click on that, and there is a different set of options available for you. Obviously, we are not going to go ahead and choose this particular resolution. We are going to do it for the YouTube video. So here we will go to the magic switch, and there is a video section also. Yeah, video and YouTube video, and click on continue. So resize this design. So now we will delete all this, going to delete these pages as well. And now we will upload our audio file, which is there here. So this is the audio file we are going to use in this particular video. So as you can see, it's about 3 minutes or such. Yeah, it's about 3 minutes. We will use one by one our chorus and use those lines to match with our music video. So how to do that? And there is the lyrics. Obviously, I'm not going to play that here. And there's the lyrics: Mandela, Madiba, and a beacon of the light, fighting for the justice through the darkest night. And there is another line which is from the prison cell to presidential seat. Okay, so fighting for the justice. We will keep this in our as a keyword. So what we are going to do is going to the magic media here, and there is a video section. So I will input our first keyword. Okay, Nelson Mandela fighting for justice, huge crowd behind. That's it. Okay, click on generate video. So wait for it to generate, and let's see how many seconds it can upload that. Okay, so we have a video here which looks actually really cool and very realistic. So we will apply that on our first scene here. Let's see how many seconds are there, and we will just fit it into our video. This. Okay, so it's just getting our way into just in this particular lyrics. What we are going to do is we are going to stretch that out a bit. By stretching it out means that we have a 4 seconds video, so we don't have to waste our time, creating another video and eat more credits. So here we are going to select this and click on your particular video, which we have generated using AI. And there's a playback option, and there is a video speed option. So we have to stretch that a bit to look like, it's just moving already, and it will cover our first chorus of the lyrics. So how? As you can see, the first lyrics is Mandela, Madiba, and Bacon of the Light, fighting for the justice through the darkest nights. And we have to stretch that a bit into until the darkest nights. How to do that? We will first see where that particular line ends. Okay, so here it's about 10 seconds. It's eating up to 10 seconds. So we have a 4 seconds video. For this, we have to slow a bit 2.5. So, okay. So let me just go to the playback here. And there is a 1 and okay. So there you go. I think about the 8 seconds is enough. Let's see again. So here, let me give a more speed down just like this. Okay, so it's just getting more. Let me go to the, oh yeah, it has covered the 10 seconds. So here's the second video which I have created for the next line. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this particular line to create a new video. So I've already created this one, just adding more clips to our video. I'm going to use this particular presidential seat as a keyword. Okay, going again to the magic media. So here we got this video. Oh, it's look really cool. So let's see how many playback it's on. Okay, it's always 4 seconds. That's fine. So we are going to select this particular page and add this here. So after adding this, let me stretch a bit to cover up here. As you can see, Sir Mandela is giving a speech here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be more specific. So I'm using this until the presidential seat, and you will use this towards your legacy can be. Okay. So let's see where this presidential seats end. So it ends to the 16 seconds, I think. Around 18. Okay. That's fine. So we have a 4 seconds video. To get from the 10 seconds to the 18, we need to double up our speed, or slow down our speed. So going to this again, going to the playback, and going to the 0.5. So it's the basic math, nothing else. So here it ends for the legacy can be beat. And as you can see, it's around 22, and we have already covered until the 18, and it's around the 22 part. So I think it's fine. Okay, so let me just stretch a bit, not a more than 0.8. That's it. Keys. So now the rap verse comes. So that's where we will keep on adding using our lyrics. So that's the motto of this particular video. And let me give you a heads up. You will have a 50 credits. So let me give you why I'm stretching these clips, because the song is almost about the 3 minutes. And if we do the math, 3 into 60 seconds it's gonna be around 180 seconds. So for the 180 second, if we divide this into 4 seconds clip, so it will be around 45 clips or 4 seconds. And for the 45 clips, you will eat 1 credits for each 45 videos. And here you will get only 50 credits per month. So that means you will only create 1 video per month, which I don't think is feasible. So that's why I'm just stretching these clips up to cover more of the lyrics, and such that it will look natural, just like the way it is. And it will, eat much lesser credits, and we will use this playback option to resize or change our speed a bit. So that's the motto of this particular thing of stretching our clips. So now for the rest of the part, I'm creating clips just to match this particular music video. So go ahead, if you are doing it with me, just go ahead and start doing it what I'm doing right now. And I won't add recording for the rest of the music video because it will eat more time. So let me give you a few tips. First, I have already given you that you need to stretch a bit. And second is to give a prompt a more specific text to get your video handled for you. Like in the next is born into Thambu and in Vezo's embrace. So Sir Mandela was born in Thambu. Here the rapper is talking about Sir Mandela's childhood. So you have to be specific in your prompt that. So that's where you will match your lyrics with the video itself. So this is the tip which I'm going to do. Obviously, you need to eat more less credits so that you can use these clips more again and again. So I will be doing this particular thing to the end of the video. So see you until I complete that. Okay, so it's done, and as you can see, it's about 3 minutes. And so few things I want to highlight, that I have reused the clips for the chorus part. As you can see here, this is the chorus, and so here, and I've reused this multiple times. Like here is also a chorus, just like that. So everything is done. The clips has been rearranged. Few things I want to add. If I click on this, you can use the beat syncs part. Okay, so if you click on the syncing, and it will analyze wherever the beat drops. So this will be very beneficial for all those reels lover. So whenever you create a reels, there are transition after a specific beat you add. As you can see, all the trending videos out there. So with the beat sync, you will be able to get the breakpoint. Okay. So after you get the breakpoint, you then use the transition according. So as you can see, there is a beat drop, there is a beat drop, and you can rearrange your clips accordingly. So there is a beat drop. So you can add a transition to it. So it doesn't matter for my particular video because it's for the YouTube, and the video is about the Nelson Mandela. It's not a hanky panky video, or not even a, so it's just a social video. So now moving forward to the transition part. So as you can see, there's a multiple clips, and we have a option here. If you mouse over to here, there is a 2 options, which is add page, and there is a add transition. And if you click on the transition, you will have a different type of transitions you can see here. Okay, you can use any transitions here, whichever you like, but I personally drop dissolve one, and you can add different transition to each here. Just like there's a color vibe also. If you click on the color vibe, so you will have an option to add a color vibe options here. You can add your own color, and you have a directions also. So if you mouse over to the directions, you will find this. Okay. So I'm applying the matchup move here. So simply do that all to the all. As you can see, this is apply between all the pages. If we click on this, so it will be applied in all the pages. So let's see the transitions here. Yeah, so it adds a next video, as you can see here. Hit let me browse here to the pin. Yeah, it adds the next video and dissolve the previous one. So I like this match and move part. So now everything is ready for us, and you can just go ahead with the export. So to export, just click on the share here, and there is a download button, and there is for the streaming. And if you click on 4K, 4K will give a better result. So go for the 4K and start downloading it. So that's what it is all about. So if you want to see a final video of this, so final video hasn't been done yet because I need to add the subtitle to the video. So if you want to watch this video, particular this output, then you will find a link in the description box. So that's all about today. So if you have learned something from this video, do click the like button. And if you have questions in mind, you have a comment box with you. So if you want such tricks and tips in the future, you have a subscribe button. Do smash that because it will boost our morale to post more and more tricks like this. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.